Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to edit title block. So we can go to drawings and we have this default title block, and if you want to fill the title block in here, you can go to drawing here, right click and then go to I properties. Now you can go to the summary. This is for the author. And the next, if you want to set the title, you can click here. Like I will set into Ika sample, apply, and the title will be show. For another, you can go to projects, like you can fill for the part number, revision number, and others. So this is for the part number, like I will set into 1. For the number, click apply, and drawing 1. For reference, you can click here, like into 2. Apply again, will show for the reference. For status, you can also set for the checks by, approved by, and MFG approved by here. Set checks to show for the date into the title block. So if you want to edit all title block, you can go to the drawing resource here. Go to title blocks and then you can double click yes. Now you can edit the title block by right click and click edit. So you can edit the title block here. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor 2027 how to edit title block.